Understanding, take the hint, in English. Hello, everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, take the hint. Understanding such phrases can be crucial in mastering the English language, especially in social contexts. So, let's get started. The phrase, take the hint, implies understanding and responding to an indirect suggestion or implication without it being explicitly stated. It's often used in situations where someone is giving subtle cues or hints about their thoughts or wishes, and they expect the other person to understand these without direct communication. Let's look at some common scenarios. 1. Social gathering. If someone at a party keeps looking at the clock, they might be hinting they want to leave. If you notice this and suggest leaving, you've taken the hint. 2. Workplace. If a colleague keeps mentioning they're overloaded with work, they might be indirectly asking for help. Offering assistance means you took the hint. Understanding, take the hint, is vital because it enhances social interactions. It shows you're attentive and can read between the lines. Prevents misunderstandings. Recognizing hints can avoid potential confusion in communication. In different cultures, the reliance on indirect communication varies. In some cultures, being more direct is appreciated, while in others, giving and taking hints is part of everyday communication. Understanding this phrase can therefore be particularly useful in intercultural interactions. And that's a wrap on Take the Hint. We hope this video helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Remember, catching on to subtle cues is a skill that enhances your communication ability greatly. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.